How to check hidden messages in Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Here, click on Menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on Archive. Some messages may be hidden in the archive, so make sure you check here. But if you want to see other messages, you can go to the chats, click on the person's chat, and then click on their name at the top. Scroll down, you'll find secret conversation in here. You can simply click on it and you will be able to go to the hidden message of that person. And it is not available in my region, but you will find it here. You can simply click on secret conversation and check the hidden message. This is how to check hidden messages in Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.